Hey guys, okay, so in today's video I decided to record a get ready with me, so I'm going to be showing you my hair, makeup and my outfit as well. So today's wig is from hjweavebeauty. It really melts the lace into your skin. So once that's done, I'm going to take my alcohol and just get rid of that glue that I have around my hairline. Makeup, I'm keeping it very simple today like I normally do anyway. You guys already know my makeup is like so simple. So I'm going to be using my Tilbury's magic cream. And guys, when I tell you I love this cream, like this moisturizer is it's amazing. It's actually amazing. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my ABH Hydrating Oil, and this is just to really just keep my skin hydrated underneath all that makeup that I'm going to apply. So I don't really use primer anymore, guys. I just feel like I don't need it. So because I've gone darker, what I like to do now is I like to use a darker foundation underneath my actual foundation. So this is the ABH foundation stick in the shade Cool Earth, I think, and I'm going to be mixing that with my Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Nutmeg, I think. I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below, guys, so don't worry. To highlight my face, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I can't remember what shade this is, but like I said, guys, please check down below for all the details and information you guys need. And yeah, I'm just going to take my beauty blender just to blend out the concealer. And I love this concealer because it's full coverage. Like the smallest amount goes a long way, but obviously you know me, I'm extra, like I've applied so much, but I'm gonna blend it out. So I'm just taking what's left on my beauty blender to reverse contour my cheekbones. I don't really need to do this because my cheekbones are already very defined, but like I said, I'm extra, so yeah. And now I'm just going back in with my foundation brush just to blend out the edges of the concealer. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using my Mercier translucent powder to set this in place, to stop it from moving, and just to, yeah. I actually want to try a new setting powder, but I don't know which one to try. To set the rest of my face, I'll be using the ABH Bronzer in the shade Mahogany. And this is a bronzer, yes, but it's not dark enough for me to bronze with, so I just use this to set the rest of my face. And I don't know, I just like the finish of this powder, so that's why I use it all over my face. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using the LA Girl Pro contour powder, and this is in the shade Cocoa, I think. So you guys can see how dark this powder is. Like, I really like it because it defines my face so much. But obviously because it's so harsh, I'm gonna go back in with my powder brush and just use that to blend it out. So you guys can see me doing that now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my face again with my MAC Pseudo Fix powder in the shade NW50, just to blend everything together. And now it's time for my eyebrows. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, in this video my brows were not on fleek. They were not on fleek, but you know, life goes on. So I'm using the Rimmel eyebrow pencil in black brown just to fill in my brows very lightly. And I don't really like doing much to my brows these days because I've been really liking that soft look. I don't know why. Listen, sometimes I like the really like fleeky defined eyebrows. Sometimes I just like to just have that soft look, but yeah, it depends on what mood I'm in. So I'm gonna take the same concealer that I used to highlight with. I'm gonna use that to clean up my brows, which is what I'm doing now. And when I do my foundation before eyebrows, I don't really tend to clean the top of my brows, but if I do my brows first, then obviously I'll clean both the top and the bottom of my brows as well. So yeah, once I conceal my brows, I also go in with the ABH brow gel in the shade Chocolate. This is actually quite dark, so you're gonna see what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna take my MAC Pseudo Fix powder in the shade NC42, I think, and I'm just gonna use that to set my brows. So this is gonna like reduce the darkness of my eyebrows, if that makes any sense. Eyeshadow, I'm keeping it very simple. I'm going in with my ABH eyeshadow palette. So guys, you guys have been asking me where this palette is from. They don't have this palette. I've literally put all the shades together. So yeah, and I got the actual pan from Amazon, I think, or eBay, I can't remember. So yeah, and I'm using this sleek eyeshadow on my lid, which you guys are not even going to see by the time my makeup is done because setting spray, I don't know. So now I'm just going to draw a wing liner. I'm not doing anything too dramatic, just something very simple. So yeah, and then once that's done, I'm going to get rid of the rest of the powder on my face because I don't need it. You guys can see I'm looking very ashy right now, but I'm going to fix that. For blusher, I'm using my ABH Blush Trio. This is literally what I use all the time. And now I'm just lining my eyes. Guys, listen, that eyeliner was going to poke my eyes out. When it comes to lashes, you guys already know, Honeywink lashes. Why am I like this? Yeah, so the lashes are from my lash line, which I'm going to be launching before the end of this month. And now I'm just going back in with the same shades that I used on my lid. I'm just using that on my waterline as well. I'm gonna set my face using the ABH Dewy setting spray, and I love this setting spray so much because it just blends everything together. To highlight, I'm gonna be using the ABH Amerezy Highlighter. You guys are gonna think ABH is sponsoring this video. They're not, but you know, yeah. To line my lips, I'm using the sleek Just Say Nothing lip liner. This is a lip liner that I use with every lip combo, guys. I'm not even lying. Like, this lip liner, you need to go and get it. So for lipstick, I'm gonna be using wow I'm gonna be using my Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick. I can't remember what shade this is, but I'll list it down below. And then for lip gloss, I'll be using the NYX Lingerie Lipgloss. And yeah, so that's literally everything, as you guys can see. And my face is already coming together. I'm looking like one fine babe, you know. Like, last thing, I'm gonna go back in with that Pseudo Fix powder in the shade NC42, and I'm just gonna use that to set my under eye, just to give me that bright under eye look. Yeah, I really like that. And that's the end of my makeup. So now going back to my hair, I'm just gonna use some hair mousse just to, you know, set my baby hairs and stuff. Now I'm going back in with my powder. I'm using the NW50 just to define my parting. I'm gonna spray the hair with some water just to define the curls a bit more, and your girl is ready. Like, look at this. Look at this. Obviously, I was actually gonna try and like not do so much baby hairs, but the lace is not the thinnest lace, so I just had to. The hair is really nice though. It's really soft. Really like it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.